Stuck on Wix Studio and would like to go back to the classic editor? You can do just that. However, only users who switched to Wix Studio from the regular Wix experience have the option to switch back to it. And if you're using Wix Studio, when creating new sites, you'll also always be asked which editor you'd like to create your site with. So it's really pretty flexible. But if you've made up your mind and would like to go back, here's how you can do it. On your workspace, go to Settings on the left, and under Workspace Settings, scroll down to the very bottom and click the Find Out More link. A pop-up window will appear. Make sure to read this carefully in order to be aware of what you will lose access to. And if you're sure, tick the checkbox for I understand that I will lose access to all Studio features. Then click Leave Wix Studio. And that's all for today, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to see more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.